Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on charging the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To charge the Huawei Band 8, plug the cable that came with your watch into a power source. Then match the two dots on the charger up with the two dots on the back of the watch. They will snap together with a magnet. If the watch and the charger do not snap together, then turn the charger the other way around. Your watch will then charge. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.